Hey, to turn on dark theme on the Realme 12 5G, you have to open the settings. Now go into the display and the brightness. And now switch from the light to the dark mode by clicking just right here. And also you can go for the dark mode settings and you can change some options. Like you can change this kind of the style. So the different colors, as you can see. We can also adjust wallpapers to the dark mode. If you turn it off, it won't actually dim your wallpaper. And you can also adjust icons to the dark mode. And also we can find to reduce contrast in low light condition. And as default, you can also change the scheduled. So for example, you can turn on the dark mode from the sunset to sunrise or set the custom one. You can pick the light mode and the dark mode. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.